Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2008 SL550. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 5.5 V8 pushing out 382 horsepower and 391 pounds of torque. This one does come with 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. Black leather interior. Coming around back. SL550 badging, power liftgate, a black hardtop panel roof, clean set of floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a Bose sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, push start ignition, navigation, hard keys for a media display, dual climate controls, comfort and sports driving modes, our button for hardtop to retract. This SL has 31,577 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this SL550, check out feldmanimports.com.